Shiden Network, SDN, is a project built on top of the Kusama's network with the aim of creating a multi-chain decentralized application layer. Shiden Network would have the ability to execute smart contracts compatible with EVM through Solidity and WebAssembly, which means huge potential for advanced dApps. Likewise, it is capable of offering second-layer services for direct interaction with other blockchains and their DeFi, NFT platforms and more. With this commitment, Shinden Network seeks to make its way as one of the great DeFi projects of the Kusama ecosystem, and, so far, its good work has paid off. There are two simple ways to buy this cryptocurrency. The first is directly from the Bit2Me website. Head to the Buy menu, and then click on More Cryptocurrencies. There will appear all the available cryptocurrencies from Bit2Me. Then, choose the desired cryptocurrency and click on Buy. A payment gateway will pop up. There, select the amount in euros or cryptocurrencies you want to buy and click on the Pay button. A new window will appear where you'll need to log into your Bit2Me account and thus be able to finish the purchase. If you don't have an account yet, you can make one hassle-free in no time. We leave you another tutorial to create an account with us. Click above. The second way to buy is directly from our wallet. Search for the desired cryptocurrency among our wallets and click on Buy. Select the payment method: a credit card, cash with TypeBit, Euro wallet, or bank transfer. In this example, we chose the Euro wallet. Then click on Pay and confirm the purchase. As you can see, it's simple, so we invite you to buy on Bit2Me today. Also, if this is your first purchase with us, we will give you €5 for each €100 or more your purchase. You can find the link in the description and comments.